let's take a look at number 5, the last hour combustion reaction. So gram of oxygen is used to completely react with sample hydrocarbon. Okay, so this question is like the first question. You get the oxygen, but you don't know your hydrocarbon is. Okay, produces carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so we're gonna find the empirical formula. All right. Okay, number 5. Okay, so what we're gonna do, remember that this is C, X, H, Y, O, we don't know, plus O2, go to CO2 and water. Okay, 5 is the same as number 1. If you want to pause this video and go ahead and try to find the number 1 and try attempt this, okay, you can. Otherwise, let's go. All right, 33.658 gram. This is 33.057 grams, and this is 10.816 grams. Remember, law of conservation, the left side should be equal to the right side. Let's figure out the total. So before you even do the calculator, you can see that it should be about 11-ish, or I should say a little bit over 10, right? So 10.8, yeah, a little bit less. So about 10, 10.5 probably, or 10.3, something like that. 0.57. Okay, so we know our total. Now we just need to subtract this so that we can find this guy. Okay, so that's how much this guy has. Alrighty, which will make sense. Alright, let's get started. Now that I figure out my hydrocarbon mass, that's now the same thing as number 2 or number 4. Alright, number 2 and number 4, they just give you extra stuff, but it's the same thing. So let's go. Oh, yeah, I guess that will be difficult to see. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and solve this one. Oh my god, this is more. Now I do the same thing with this one. Oh, I make a mistake here. Okay, as you can notice, I make a mistake. I will just continue mole to mole. This is one more H2O. This should be two more H, not H2O. So I mean this is the one more H. So this is just 1.01. Okay, don't need that plus 16 on time 2. That's a gram of H. So now that I have the gram, I can go ahead and find out if there's any of the oxygen there. I don't think there's any. But let's see, 10.215 minus 9.021. Oh, again, notice that I put parentheses because I'm adding these two, or you can do subtract. So you're getting about negative 0.016. Again, you're not supposed to. The only reason you're getting negative is because there was some rounding error happening because we're rounding them. So that just means there is no oxygen. Okay, you're not supposed to be getting. Like I said, you can have more carbon and hydrogen than the hydrocarbon. So, okay. So let's solve them. So carbon and hydrogen. Carbon's 0.751. Hydrogen 1.201 divided. That's gonna be 1. That is gonna be some troublesome number. Yep, because it's 1.5992, so 1.56. That's times 3. No, times 2 on me. 0.66. So about 2 to 3.